Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to put a Homelink in this lightning flash. Surprisingly enough, it doesn't come with it. It's crazy that it doesn't, because although the RAM didn't come with it either. Um, but I want to show you quick how I'm going to put it in here. So for the upper center console, I put it. They give you three different buttons. They give you gray, black, and like tan. So I just decided to go with black because that's black. Um, so I ended up taking there's like this little gasket here. I set it on top to make the cutout for this so this will fit. And then I used, it's like a little spongy type seal, but I put it on the inside so that it'll give it some spring back when you snap it in, so it's tight and not loose flopping around. It's very tight tolerance, but it's not going to be a problem. The plug goes in and it's just going to make it so this way you don't have to cut the headliner. So what I'm going to do is I got it run up through the ceiling, and this just pops out. There's 4 clips and then a forward one. Of course I broke that one, but these clips are pretty strong. It ain't gonna move. But you just pull down on the back of it back here real hard. You might want to get one of those tools, like the blue plastic tools, to help break it loose. But now I'm gonna run it through, across, and down to the fuse box. To do that, you have to take the mirrors, the one mirror off. So it's 2 7mm. This one's for the where it holds it up, and this is where it pivots on this side. Over here, when I get it over, I'm gonna run it behind the airbag, all the way down through here, and the fuse box is right in here. So to get these things off, there's 2 bolts here. This is, pretty well hidden cover, but this didn't look like a cover, but it was. So it looked like one piece. But you just pull this cover off. There's 2 10mm there. This piece you got to get off. It's just all pushed down with these little clips all in right here. And just get a pry tool towards the bottom, just start it, and just pull it off. And then there is a piece that goes right there, which here's that piece. And I'm taking that off because there is a ground strap right there that I'm going to use to ground for that other piece. So there's 2 top piece. There's a snap right there that goes right here, then you have to take this piece off first to get to that. But then after that, it just pretty much comes out. And then you got this little floor plate, and that just snaps in too. All right, so I have this piece snapped in up here. And the wire is up in the headliner, and it's coming down right through here. Now, there's these little clips here that I kind of like put it through. They're like, so to hold it in place. So it's kind of nice that they're there. And then it's just going to run down, and there's plenty left to hook it up. So I'll just have a little extra up in the kick panel, but no big deal. All right. So on the top here, that one that says 10 above the 7.5, I'm going to use that one. And that one is the accessory timer when the key is off, or in the window, I think. Okay, so there we have the ADA circuit, And like I said, that's for like the accessories, and I think it said the window. And I just have it grounded right here, and now I just have to put these covers on. So I'll turn the ignition on, and it powers up. Turn it off, and it powers down. Right, so you might want to have it hooked up, the way I did with key on only, because if you park your truck outside and someone breaks your window, they can just press the button and open the garage doors without needing a key or anything. So this way, the garage door openers will only work if you have keys in your truck. All right, so put the key on, and then go with number 1. Number 2. Well, I'll say the worst part of the whole thing is probably just getting that plastic piece up there cut to the right exact size. You just got to take your time so that once you're done, it's going to cover the whole hole without being able to see anything. Other than that, just running the wire across the headliner and down, that seems to be the best way. And that's how I would hook it up. I wouldn't be splicing no wires up in the ceiling, because there's no point when you could just do that. The wire's long enough. There was probably an extra 2 feet. So now I feel like at least there's one more thing on here that should have been on there. I think every car should have it. Just who has a garage door opener anymore? So please, if you like what you see, hit that like button and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.